Remove the fuel hose from the injector. For how to take it up, slide the clamp like this. Continue to pull the hose like this. After that, this hose can be removed safely. Unplug the injector cable socket. Untie the throttle. Here are two bolts that must be opened with the L key. Proceed by loosening the air filter hose bolt. After that, open intake bolt. Briefly, here is the TPS cable socket. Remove this TPS socket first. Continue removing the two intake bolts. After that, we can lift this throttle body complete. This is packing fiber insulator or bonnet joint intake. Still in good condition. Still intact, no signs of crack or breaks. Back to throttle body. Here we remove the TPS sensor. How to unscrew this bolt using a central perforated screwdriver bit. If you don't have the screwdriver bits, you just need to open this bolt using pliers. C can be opened. After the TPS can be removed, continue by removing the injector. The screw is quite hard. You have to be careful to open it. Okay, successfully removed. Immediately check condition. from the track throttle body already looks a little dirty. And on the packing injector looks like a rusty scale. We continue to open the injector. Here, I will see the condition of input filter. Okay, still good, no dirt at all. This indicates that the performance of the filter fuel pump is still working properly. We will not do cleaning, soaking, boiling, or spraying this injector. No need, you friends. If the condition of the injector is still good and not clogged, so we don't need to carelessly clean this device, which Avantiz should not be touched by hands. For those of you who like to spray injector using cleaner, my advice, better not do it again. The liquid is very hard. Can only be used if the injector is clogged. Also avoid boiling or immersing the injector with liquid water containing mineral. Boiling and soaking actually makes the life of the injector shorter. If the performance is still good, it is better if the inside of the injector does not need to be cleaned. You can see the good sign in this input filter, which is still clean. So, just wipe it on the body along with the rubber seal. And remember, don't touch or dirty this input filter section. Do carefully and patiently. You have to be careful. Do not let any dirt stick to this input filter. After finishing, we will rub this injector. We secure it so that it doesn't get dirt dust. Continue with cleaning the TPS. This is enough for use to wipe it clean. For injector packing should be replaced recently. Continue, we clean the throttle body unit. Cleaning can use throttle body cleaner or carbu cleaner. And for flushing, just use kerosene or petrol.